Summer is finally here and the king of fruits, mango, is also here. So let's make some no bake, no egg mango cheesecake. You can either serve it in a glass or you can also serve it in a jar. So let's get making it because it's not baking. Ingredients: 200 grams of digestive biscuits, pulp from 1 Alfonso mango, 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter, 100 grams of white chocolate, 5 to 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar, chopped mangoes for garnish, 150 grams of whipping cream, 100 grams of cream cheese. Take your digestive biscuits and turn it into a powder by running it either in a mixie or you can also do it manually. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ghee or melted butter and just give it a mix till it reaches a sandy consistency like this. Next, put it in your glass. You can use 2 or 3 tablespoons or as much as you like. The thickness depends on your preference. Tap it gently. Pack it properly. And they go in the fridge till we go on with our next process. Now we take the white chocolate and melt it in the microwave and keep it aside. In another big bowl, let's take our whipping cream, all of it, and whisk it till it forms soft peaks. Add our cream cheese and whip again till it reaches medium peaks. Like this. Add the cooled and melted white chocolate. Give it a quick small mix. We will divide this into 2 portions and we will add powdered sugar in both separately. In the small portion, we will add less powdered sugar, and in the portion where the cream is more, we will add more powdered sugar. It depends on your preference how much sugar you add. I have added typically 2 tablespoons in the smaller one and 4 tablespoons in the bigger one. Now let's take the smaller batch and add the mango puree in it. Please note that while you puree the mango, please do not add water in it. Let's give it a light mix. We don't have to overwork it, just incorporate it. Let's fill that up in a piping bag. You can also spoon it, but I prefer putting it in a piping bag. Now both the piping bags will go in the fridge to rest. Take out our chilled glasses and let's top it up with the yummy mango filling first. And we'll add the cubed mangoes in the center. Using a jar is really fun because you can easily use it as gifts. Now again it goes to the fridge. After some time, we will now top it up with our white cream frosting. Look how delicious it looks. Fill it all the way to the top and give it a gentle tap. After this, it goes into the refrigerator for minimum of 4 hours or better for overnight. Top it with freshly diced or cubed mangoes, some mint leaves, and I've also added a swirl of lemon peel. Your mango cheesecake without baking, without any eggs, is ready to eat. Enjoy!